Hello, dear friend, and welcome to the Bedtime Lab, where curiosity comes to rest as gently as a feather on a pillow. This evening, as we embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of Seti and alien signals, I invite you to settle in, let the day's worries drift away, and immerse yourself in the wonder of the universe. Before we begin, why not take a moment to share where you're joining us from in the comments? It's always delightful to imagine our little community stretching across the globe, united by a shared sense of wonder. Let's begin this cosmic journey, shall we? Did you know that the acronym Seti stands for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence? It's an ambitious endeavor, with scientists peering into the vastness of space, listening for whispers that might suggest we are not alone. Imagine the patience it requires, listening to the cosmic symphony, hoping to discern a melody of intelligent origin from the background noise of the universe. Speaking of cosmic music, here's something intriguing. SETI researchers often use radio telescopes to scan for signals. These telescopes, much like giant ears, listen for radio waves that might bear the hallmark of intelligent life. The thought that these signals could traverse billions of kilometers to reach us is nothing short of awe-inspiring, isn't it? And here's a fascinating fact. The first modern scientific attempt to detect alien signals began in the early 1960s with a project named OSMA. Led by Frank Drake, this endeavor focused on just two stars, Tau Ceti and Epsilon Eridani, for about 2 months. Although the results were inconclusive, this marked the beginning of a quest that continues to this day. Imagine this. In the vastness of our galaxy alone, there are estimated to be around 100 billion stars, each potentially hosting planets where life could emerge. The sheer scale of this possibility is mind-boggling, and it is this very vastness that gives SETI its profound sense of purpose. Could there be civilizations out there, sending signals into the cosmos, just as we do? Here's another interesting tidbit. One of the most famous potential alien signals was detected in 1977 and is known as the WOW. This mysterious radio burst lasted just 72 seconds and has never been replicated or explained. Its name comes from the comment made by Dr. Four, Jerry Amon, who scribbled "Wow" next to the data printout. Can you imagine the excitement of discovering such a signal? As we ponder these mysteries, let me share something interesting with you. SETI doesn't just rely on radio signals. Optical SETI is a branch that searches for incredibly brief but intense flashes of laser light. These signals, if detected, could indicate the presence of a technologically advanced civilization trying to communicate over interstellar distances. Isn't it remarkable the lengths we go to reach out into the void? Speaking of optical signals, did you know that some scientists are also exploring the possibility of detecting extraterrestrial artifacts within our own solar system? These might be remnants of ancient alien probes or devices that once surveyed our cosmic neighborhood. It's a captivating idea, suggesting that the signs of other civilizations could be closer than we think. And here's something that might surprise you. The potential for alien signals is not just limited to stars and planets. Some researchers have speculated that advanced civilizations might use pulsars, which are rapidly rotating neutron stars, as natural beacons. These cosmic lighthouses, with their predictable pulses, could serve as interstellar communication hubs. Speaking of the unexpected, did you know that our own planet has been broadcasting signals into space for over a century? From early radio broadcasts to television, these signals have traveled light years into the cosmos, potentially reaching distant worlds. It's a humbling thought, considering what alien astronomers might infer about Earth from our broadcasts. And as we continue to explore, here's a fascinating consideration. Not all scientists believe we should actively reach out. Some caution that broadcasting our presence could invite unwanted attention from potentially hostile civilizations. This debate adds an intriguing layer to the question of whether we are alone, doesn't it? In our quest for understanding, let's remember that Seti is as much about self-discovery as it is about finding others. By searching the stars, we learn more about our own place in the universe, the nature of life, and the infinite possibilities that lie beyond our blue planet. So, as you drift into slumber tonight, let these thoughts of cosmic wonder cradle you gently. There is so much to ponder, so much to explore, and yet, as vast as the universe is, it holds a strange and comforting familiarity. Until next time, my friend, when we will continue our exploration together, may your dreams be filled with the stars. Sleep well. Let me take you on another fascinating journey through the cosmos as we continue to explore the captivating world of Seti and alien signals. Have you ever wondered about the energy required to send a signal across interstellar distances? It's astounding to consider that a powerful enough laser could theoretically send a message that would be detectable from many light years away. The energy involved is equivalent to that of a large power plant operating at full capacity. Imagine harnessing such energy for a brief moment to whisper across the stars. Here's something that might pique your curiosity: the Drake equation. This famous formula, devised by Frank Drake, estimates the number of active, communicative extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way galaxy. The equation takes into account factors like the rate of star formation and the fraction of stars with planets, among others. It's a wonderful tool for contemplating the possibilities, though its variables are still largely speculative. Speaking of speculations, did you know that some scientists ponder the idea of using gravitational waves for communication? These ripples in space-time, caused by massive cosmic events, might serve as a novel method for sending messages across the universe. It's a testament to human ingenuity, always finding ways to push the boundaries of possibility. Now, let's consider a more down-to-earth fact: the role of citizen scientists in the search for alien signals. Projects like Seti at Home allow people from all over the world to donate their computer's processing power to analyze radio signals. It's a beautiful example of collaboration, uniting curious minds in a communal quest for knowledge. And here's another intriguing thought: the concept of dark matter civilizations. Some theorists propose that advanced civilizations might harness dark matter, an elusive substance thought to make up most of the universe's mass. If true, such civilizations might be invisible to our current methods of detection, operating on a level we can scarcely comprehend. On the topic of invisibility, have you ever considered the notion of a galactic internet? If advanced civilizations exist, they might communicate across vast distances using a network spanning the galaxy. This hypothetical system could be far beyond our current technological understanding, weaving a web of information between the stars. In our search for alien life, we often think of planets orbiting distant stars. But did you know that some researchers are exploring the potential of rogue planets? These lonely wanderers drift through the galaxy without a home star, yet they might harbor life in subterranean oceans, warmed by their own internal heat. It's a thought that challenges our traditional ideas of habitability. Speaking of challenges, the idea of sending messages to extraterrestrial intelligence, known as METI, raises interesting questions about language. How do you communicate with beings who might not share our symbols, senses, or even mathematical concepts? It's a puzzle that invites endless creativity and wonder. Have you ever heard of the idea of silent Seti? This concept suggests that we might be surrounded by signals we simply cannot detect with our current technology. Perhaps extraterrestrials use communication methods that are completely alien to us, such as neutrino beams or quantum entanglement, which remain beyond our ability to perceive. Let me share another captivating thought: the Fermi paradox. This famous question ponders why, given the vast number of stars and potential for life, we have yet to encounter any aliens. Solutions to this paradox range from the idea that civilizations might self-destruct before contacting others, to the notion that they are choosing to remain silent. And here's a curious possibility. What if some civilizations are sending signals but disguising them as natural phenomena? This camouflage hypothesis posits that extraterrestrials might hide their communications within cosmic noise to avoid detection by less advanced species like ours. Speaking of cosmic noise, have you ever imagined the universe as a vast, echoing chamber? Each signal sent could reverberate throughout the cosmos for eons, potentially reaching civilizations long after the senders have vanished. It's a hauntingly beautiful thought, reminiscent of messages in a bottle cast into a galactic ocean. Let's ponder the concept of time for a moment. In the search for alien signals, the vast distances involved mean that any message we detect could be ancient by the time we receive it. We might be listening to the echoes of civilizations long gone, their signals traveling across the ages to reach our ears. Finally, consider the sheer diversity of life that might exist beyond Earth. While we search for signals from intelligent beings, there may also be countless forms of simple life, thriving in environments we can scarcely imagine. Whether they are sending signals or silently evolving, each of these possibilities enriches our understanding of life's potential across the cosmos. As you drift into a restful slumber, let these thoughts of endless possibilities lull you into a gentle dream. Reflect on the vastness of the universe and the countless stories it holds. Until we continue our exploration, may your night be filled with the serenity of the stars. Now imagine the unique beauty of the universe's vast silence, occasionally broken by the whisper of a potential signal. Did you know that one of the most famous instances of this occurred in 1977 with the WOW signal? Detected by Jerry R. Amon at Ohio State University's Big Ear Radio Telescope, this signal lasted 70 seconds and has defied explanation ever since. It's a tantalizing reminder of how little we know and how much there is yet to discover. Let's think about the tools we use in this cosmic quest. The Allen Telescope Array, located in California, is specifically designed for Seti research. Unlike traditional telescopes that focus on narrow sections of the sky, this array can survey vast areas simultaneously. Imagine it as a giant ear, listening to the cosmos for any signs of extraterrestrial chatter. It's an impressive feat of engineering and a critical asset in our search. Did you know that radio waves are not the only medium we're listening with? Scientists have also begun to explore the potential of optical Seti. This approach involves searching for brief flashes of light, akin to cosmic lighthouses, that might signify intelligent communication. These could be laser pulses, signifying advanced civilizations reaching out across the void. It's a fascinating expansion of the search, broadening our horizons in the quest for contact. Speaking of light, can you imagine the challenges of deciphering a message from another world? Even if a simple radio wave were detected, interpreting it would be an immense task. Without a common language or frame of reference, we would have to rely on universal constants or mathematical concepts to find common ground. It's an intellectual puzzle, as enigmatic as it is exciting. A curious fact to ponder: the idea of sending a probe to the stars is not mere science fiction. The Breakthrough Starshot initiative aims to develop tiny, light-propelled spacecraft capable of reaching neighboring star systems within a human lifetime. These tiny explorers could one day carry messages from Earth, or even return with data about distant worlds. It's a long-term vision, but one that speaks to the indomitable human spirit of exploration. Here's something to muse over: the concept of a cosmic quarantine. Some theorists suggest that advanced civilizations might deliberately avoid contact with less developed ones to prevent cultural contamination. This idea, known as the zoo hypothesis, implies that intelligent beings might observe us from afar, much like we watch animals in a nature reserve. It's an intriguing, if slightly unsettling, notion that adds another layer to our understanding of the universe. Have you ever wondered about the potential for life on moons rather than planets? In our solar system, moons like Europa and Enceladus, with their subsurface oceans, are prime candidates for hosting life. These icy worlds could harbor simple organisms, using chemical energy rather than sunlight to thrive. It's a reminder that life can find a way in the most unexpected places. Now, let's consider the sheer scale of the universe. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. If only a tiny fraction of these stars have habitable planets, the number of potential homes for life is staggering. It's a thought that can make one feel both small and wonderfully connected to the cosmos. Another captivating idea is the potential for artificial structures in space. Theoretical constructs like Dyson spheres, which encompass a star to capture its energy, could be detectable by their infrared signatures. If such structures exist, they might be the calling cards of incredibly advanced civilizations. It's a testament to human imagination, pondering possibilities far beyond our current capabilities. And here's a thought-provoking question: are we listening in the right places? While we focus on stars similar to our Sun, life might thrive in environments vastly different from Earth. We might need to broaden our search criteria, considering factors like binary star systems or even black hole accretion disks. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to explore. Consider the role that culture and history play in our quest. The stories of ancient civilizations often include tales of celestial visitors or gods from the stars. While these myths were not based on scientific evidence, they reflect a timeless human fascination with the idea of life beyond our world. It's a reminder that the search for otherworldly companions is deeply rooted in the human spirit. Let me share a thought on the potential risks of contact. Some scientists caution that revealing our presence to an advanced civilization could pose dangers. We simply cannot predict the intentions of beings with vastly superior technology. It's a debate that balances hope with caution, reminding us that the unknown is both exciting and intimidating. As you nestle further into the warmth of your thoughts, consider this final possibility: what if life is rare and we are extraordinary? The fact that we can ask these questions and seek these answers is a testament to the uniqueness of our existence. Whether we find other life or not, the journey itself enriches our understanding of who we are and our place in the universe. As these ideas gently swirl in your mind, let them guide you to a place of wonder and awe, where the mysteries of the cosmos are as vast and infinite as the dreams that await you. Let your mind wander to the idea of the wow signal. It was a strong signal detected in 1977 by a radio telescope in Ohio. This brief, unexplained burst of radio waves lasted 72 seconds and was so remarkable that the astronomer who discovered it wrote "Wow" on the printout. Despite numerous attempts to locate it again, the signal has never been detected a second time. Its origin remains one of the greatest mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, sparking the imagination of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Now, imagine a scenario where alien civilizations use an entirely different form of communication that we can't detect. Some researchers speculate that advanced societies might utilize neutrinos, elusive subatomic particles that pass through matter almost undisturbed, enabling them to send messages through entire planets. If aliens are using such technology, we might be missing their signals entirely, not because they aren't being sent, but because we lack the technology to perceive them. Here's a thought. Seti researchers often have to contend with false positives. Terrestrial interference from satellites, airplanes, and even household electronics can mimic alien signals. These false alarms are part of the reason Seti work requires such patience and diligence. A signal might appear promising at first glance, only to be debunked upon further analysis. This meticulous process underscores the complexity of distinguishing genuine cosmic communications from the noise of our own technological world. Have you ever considered the possibility of a galactic linguistic barrier? Suppose we receive a message from another civilization. The challenge lies not only in detecting it, but also in deciphering its meaning. Without a common language, scientists would have to rely on mathematics, the universal language, to bridge the gap. Messages might be encoded in prime numbers or the periodic table, serving as a Rosetta Stone to unlock interstellar communication. Let's delve into the intriguing notion of the Seti paradox. It's a philosophical dilemma pondering why, if intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations exist, they have not made their presence known to us. Some propose that intelligent life eventually self-destructs, perhaps through technology or resource depletion. Others suggest that the universe might be teeming with life forms that choose to remain silent, perhaps out of caution or disinterest. This paradox adds a layer of mystery to our quest, inviting us to ponder the myriad possibilities of life beyond Earth. Did you know that Seti involves not only listening for signals, but also sending them? The Pioneer and Voyager probes, for instance, carry messages intended for any extraterrestrial life that might encounter them. These spacecraft include plaques and golden records with information about Earth and humanity. It's a humbling thought that these messages will continue to travel through space long after we've gone, a testament to our desire to connect with the cosmos. Consider the idea of technosignatures as another fascinating avenue of exploration. Beyond radio waves, scientists are also looking for signs of advanced technology that might be detectable from afar. These could include industrial pollution in an exoplanet's atmosphere or the waste heat from megastructures. By expanding our notion of what constitutes a signal, we broaden our search for intelligent life in unexpected ways. Speaking of signals, did you know that some scientists are exploring the concept of using gravitational waves to communicate across the stars? These ripples in space-time, caused by massive cosmic events, could theoretically be modulated to carry information. It's a cutting-edge idea that, while purely theoretical at the moment, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of cosmic communication. Now, picture the possibility of silent skies. Some researchers suggest that we might be in a cosmic quiet zone, a region of the galaxy where star systems are sparse and life is rare. This quietude might explain why we haven't detected alien signals. We're simply in an isolated part of the cosmic neighborhood. It's a sobering thought, but also one that inspires us to continue our search with renewed vigor and hope. Here's another intriguing notion: the idea of Seti at home. This is a distributed computing project that allows individuals to contribute to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence by donating their computer's idle time to analyze radio signals. It's a beautiful example of collective effort, where people from all over the world unite in the quest for cosmic companionship, turning a global community into a part of the grand adventure. Finally, ponder the idea that the universe itself might be a message. Some theorists propose that the fundamental constants of physics could be intentionally designed by an advanced civilization to communicate across time and space. While speculative, this idea speaks to the profound interconnectedness of all things and the possibility that the cosmos holds secrets far beyond our current understanding. As you drift into the quiet realms of your thoughts, let these musings accompany you, a gentle reminder of the vast and wondrous universe that stretches far beyond our night skies. Imagine the sheer scale of our galaxy, home to hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own planetary system. This sheer magnitude means there might be countless opportunities for life to develop. Yet, despite this vastness, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence remains challenging due to the immense distances involved. Did you know that even with our most powerful telescopes, we are only able to effectively scan a tiny fraction of the sky at a time? It's like trying to find a needle in a cosmic haystack, where the haystack itself is constantly shifting and changing. And here's something particularly intriguing: the concept of the cosmic haystack. This metaphor describes the challenge Seti faces in searching through an almost infinite number of frequency bands, modulation schemes, and directions. Like an enormous multidimensional search grid, it underscores the complexity of the hunt for signals. Each needle or potential signal is meticulously analyzed to distinguish it from the cosmic noise that fills the universe. Let me share something unexpected: the idea of meta-signals. These are signals that might be encoded in the very structure of the universe, beyond the traditional electromagnetic spectrum. Some researchers speculate that sophisticated alien civilizations could modulate fundamental physical constants to convey messages. Can you imagine a universe where the speed of light or gravitational constant holds hidden messages? It's a thought that stretches the imagination and opens our minds to realms of possibility. Speaking of possibilities, have you ever wondered about the zoo hypothesis? This is the idea that extraterrestrial beings are deliberately avoiding contact with us, much like zookeepers trying not to disturb the animals. The hypothesis suggests that advanced civilizations might be observing us from afar, waiting for humanity to reach a certain level of maturity before making contact. It's a humbling perspective that invites us to reflect on our place in the cosmos and our readiness for such an encounter. Now picture the fascinating pursuit of Dyson spheres in the quest for alien life. Proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson, these hypothetical megastructures would envelop a star to capture its energy. Searching for the waste heat of such structures, which might appear as infrared excesses, is another way scientists hope to identify signs of advanced civilizations. It's a testament to the creative ways in which researchers are expanding the scope of Seti beyond traditional methods. Did you know that some researchers are considering the use of quantum communication as a means for interstellar contact? Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon that Einstein famously described as spooky action at a distance, could theoretically allow for instantaneous communication across vast distances. While it's currently a realm of theoretical physics, the potential applications for Seti are as exciting as they are mind-bending. Here's an interesting thought: the possibility of post-biological intelligence. As civilizations advance, they might transcend their biological origins and become digital or synthetic entities. This shift could mean that traditional biological markers of life might be absent. Seti researchers are therefore expanding their search parameters to include these non-biological forms of intelligence, acknowledging that life might evolve far beyond our current understanding. Consider the notion of galactic archaeology. In this context, researchers study the remnants of ancient civilizations that might have left traces across the galaxy. This could involve identifying technological artifacts or signatures that suggest a once thriving culture. It's a fascinating way of looking at the universe as a historical record, one that holds echoes of past civilizations waiting to be discovered. Speaking of history, did you know that Seti has inspired numerous cultural and philosophical discussions about the future of humanity? The implications of discovering intelligent life elsewhere in the universe raise questions about our own trajectory and the longevity of technological civilizations. Some scholars even examine how different cultures might react to such a discovery, highlighting the diversity of human thought and belief. Here's a captivating fact: the role of citizen scientists in Seti research. By engaging the public in the analysis of data, projects like Seti at Home leverage the collective power of thousands of volunteers. This democratizes the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, making it a shared quest that transcends borders and unites people in a common purpose. It's a beautiful reminder that the search for answers is not confined to the realm of scientists, but belongs to all of us. As you ponder these fascinating ideas, let your curiosity guide you to new realms of understanding. Each whisper of possibility, each signal yet to be found, beckons us to look up at the night sky with wonder and hope, dreaming of the stories yet to be told in the silent symphony of the stars. Imagine the concept of active Seti, also known as METI, which stands for Messaging to Extraterrestrial Intelligence. Unlike traditional Seti efforts that passively listen for alien signals, active Seti involves deliberately sending messages into space with the hope of receiving a reply. This proactive approach raises fascinating questions about the ethics and potential consequences of announcing our presence to the universe. Some scientists believe that such messages could serve as a beacon of curiosity and goodwill, while others caution that we may be inviting unknown risks. What do you think about reaching out to the cosmos in this way? Speaking of communication, have you ever considered the language barrier when it comes to extraterrestrial messages? Without a common language or frame of reference, deciphering alien signals could be incredibly challenging. Some researchers propose using mathematics as a universal language, given its fundamental nature, hoping that mathematical patterns might bridge the gap between species. The notion that numbers could serve as cosmic Rosetta Stones is both intriguing and humbling, reminding us of the universal constants that bind us all. Let me share another fascinating aspect: the concept of technosignatures. Beyond just radio signals, technosignatures encompass a wide range of detectable signs of technology, such as artificial lights on a planet's surface or pollution in its atmosphere. These markers suggest technological activity and could provide indirect evidence of intelligent life. By broadening the search to include such diverse clues, scientists are increasing the chances of detecting civilizations that might not communicate in ways we expect. Did you know that the WOW signal, detected in 1977, remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries in Seti history? This strong, narrowband radio signal was picked up by the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio and lasted for 72 seconds. Despite numerous efforts to locate its source or replicate it, the signal has never been detected again. Its origin, whether terrestrial or extraterrestrial, continues to inspire wonder and speculation, serving as a mysterious reminder of the universe's unknowns. Imagine the sheer ingenuity behind the Breakthrough Listen project, one of the most comprehensive Seti initiatives ever undertaken. With a substantial financial backing, Breakthrough Listen employs some of the world's most powerful telescopes to scan the skies for signals across a broad range of frequencies. This ambitious project symbolizes a renewed commitment to exploring the universe's mysteries, driven by the hope of finding companions among the stars. It's a testament to human curiosity and the desire to reach beyond our earthly bounds. Here's something truly mind-expanding. The idea that extraterrestrial signals could be hidden in plain sight, masquerading as natural cosmic phenomena. Some scientists propose that advanced civilizations might use stars as gigantic beacons, encoding messages in their light patterns. This concept invites us to look at the universe with fresh eyes, considering that the answers we seek might be woven into the very fabric of the cosmos. It challenges us to question how we perceive the universe and the messages it might hold. Speaking of hidden signals, consider the Seti researchers who analyzed transient events in the cosmos. These are short-lived, unpredictable phenomena like gamma-ray bursts and fast radio bursts that might contain information from distant civilizations. By studying these fleeting moments, scientists hope to uncover clues about intelligent life, inviting us to appreciate the transient beauty and complexity of the universe's dance. These ephemeral signals are like cosmic whispers, brief yet full of potential. Have you ever thought about the possibility of interstellar archaeology? This emerging field suggests that as we develop the ability to explore other star systems, we might discover the remnants of ancient alien technologies. These artifacts could offer insights into the evolution and fate of alien civilizations, much like how archaeologists study ancient human cultures. It's a captivating idea that prompts us to ponder our own legacy and the traces we might leave behind for future explorers. Reflecting on the vast distances involved in interstellar communication, consider the intriguing use of laser technology. Some scientists suggest that powerful lasers could be used to send tightly focused signals across space, potentially allowing for more precise and efficient communication. This method, which aims to cut through the cosmic noise, highlights the creative ways in which technology is being harnessed to reach out to the stars. It reminds us of the importance of innovation in our quest for connection. Did you know that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence has led to unexpected discoveries closer to home? In the process of scanning the skies, Seti researchers have identified numerous previously unknown astronomical phenomena, from new pulsars to unexpected gamma-ray sources. These serendipitous finds enrich our understanding of the universe, demonstrating that even when searching for something specific, we often uncover marvels we never anticipated. Imagine the concept of galactic communication hubs, theoretical locations in space where civilizations might congregate to exchange information. Some scientists speculate that these hubs could exist in areas of the galaxy with advantageous conditions for communication, such as regions with minimal cosmic interference. While purely speculative, the idea of such interstellar meeting points sparks the imagination, suggesting a universe teeming with dialogue and shared knowledge. Speaking of knowledge, here's a thought-provoking idea: the possibility that alien civilizations might be using unconventional or even invisible communication methods. Alternative approaches, like neutrinos or gravitational waves, could carry signals that elude our current detection methods. These possibilities invite us to expand our search criteria and consider that the universe might be communicating in ways we have yet to comprehend fully. Finally, consider the philosophical implications of discovering alien life. Such a revelation would not only transform our understanding of the cosmos, but also challenge our perspectives on life, existence, and our place in the universe. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is, in many ways, a reflection of our quest for meaning, a journey that, regardless of its outcome, enriches the human spirit with wonder and a deep appreciation for the mysteries that lie beyond the stars. As you let these thoughts percolate, envision the possibilities that await us, shimmering just beyond the edge of our understanding. Now, let me take you on a journey to explore the intriguing notion that some alien civilizations might deliberately choose to remain undetected. This concept, known as the zoo hypothesis, suggests that advanced extraterrestrial beings could be observing us from afar, much like zookeepers watching animals, choosing to let us evolve and progress independently without interference. Isn't it fascinating to think that the universe might be buzzing with life, yet we remain blissfully unaware of it because we're not ready to be part of the cosmic community? Continuing on this thread, have you ever considered that the signals we seek might be hiding in the most unexpected places? Some researchers believe that extraterrestrial messages could be encoded in mathematical patterns or prime numbers, which are universally understood constructs. This idea posits that intelligent beings might communicate through a universal language of numbers, leaving clues scattered across the cosmos for us to find, like a cosmic treasure hunt. Speaking of numbers, did you know that some scientists are exploring the potential for alien messages to be hidden within the cosmic microwave background radiation? This ancient echo of the Big Bang fills the universe, and there is a hypothesis that advanced civilizations could manipulate these patterns to embed information, like etching a message into the very fabric of space-time. It's a humbling thought, reminding us of how much we still have to learn about the universe's complexities. Imagine the potential of artificial intelligence in Seti research. Machine learning algorithms are being developed to sift through vast amounts of data, searching for patterns that might indicate extraterrestrial communication. These computational tools can detect anomalies much more efficiently than human analysts, offering a futuristic glimpse into how technology might aid us in our quest to find life beyond Earth. It's a fascinating interplay between cutting-edge technology and age-old curiosity. On the topic of curiosity, have you ever pondered the idea that we might inadvertently be sending our own signals into space? The Earth has been broadcasting radio waves for over a century now, and these signals are traveling across the cosmos at the speed of light. As they move outward, they might serve as beacons to distant civilizations, announcing our presence in the galaxy. It's intriguing to consider that we are both the seekers and the potentially sought, sending our own whispers into the void. Here's another captivating idea: the notion of astroengineering, where advanced civilizations might build massive structures, such as Dyson spheres, to harness the energy of their stars. These megastructures could create unique observational signatures, providing indirect evidence of extraterrestrial intelligence. The search for such signs pushes the boundaries of our imagination, prompting us to consider the possibilities of what might be achieved with advanced technology and knowledge. Speaking of achievements, did you realize that the search for extraterrestrial life is also a testament to international collaboration? Scientists from around the world come together to share data, insights, and resources, united by the common goal of understanding our place in the universe. This spirit of cooperation transcends borders and cultures, highlighting the collective human desire to explore and discover, fostering a sense of global unity in the pursuit of knowledge. On a similar note, let me share the intriguing possibility that extraterrestrial intelligence might use quantum communication methods, quantum entanglement, a phenomenon where particles become interconnected regardless of distance, could theoretically allow for instantaneous communication across the cosmos. This concept challenges our current understanding of physics and invites us to rethink the limitations of space and time in the context of interstellar dialogue. Have you ever wondered about the cultural impact of discovering extraterrestrial life? Such a find could significantly influence art, literature, and philosophy, reshaping human thought and creativity. Writers and artists have long drawn inspiration from the stars, and the reality of alien life might spark a new renaissance of expression as we grapple with the profound implications of sharing the universe with other sentient beings. Contemplating these implications leads us to consider the ethical dimensions of contacting extraterrestrial intelligence. Some scholars argue for caution, suggesting that announcing our presence might inadvertently put us at risk. Others advocate for open communication, driven by the belief that the benefits of making contact would outweigh the potential dangers. This debate encourages us to think deeply about our responsibilities and the legacies we wish to create as a species. Let's ponder the influence of cosmic phenomena on our search. The detection of Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through our solar system, sparked debates about its origins. Some speculated it could be an alien probe sent to observe us. While most scientists agree on its natural origin, the speculation fueled imaginations and underscored the importance of remaining open to unexpected possibilities as we continue our search. On a final note, as we dream of discovering alien life, remember that the search itself is a reflection of our innate desire to connect. It's a journey fueled by wonder, curiosity, and the hope of finding companionship among the stars. Each step we take, each signal we analyze, is a testament to our enduring quest for understanding and belonging in the vast expanse of the universe. Embrace the mystery and let it inspire you as you drift into sleep, dreaming of the possibilities that await in the cosmic ocean. Let me share something intriguing. The idea that extraterrestrial intelligence might be using light to communicate. Some scientists propose that advanced civilizations could send powerful laser pulses across the universe, akin to cosmic lighthouses. These laser signals could be detected by our telescopes if we know where and how to look, adding another dimension to our search for alien communications. Imagine if we're just a flicker away from deciphering an interstellar message. Speaking of light, have you ever heard of the concept of fast radio bursts? These are brief but immensely powerful flashes of radio waves that last mere milliseconds. The origins of these bursts are still a mystery, and some researchers speculate they might be beacons from distant technologies. Whether natural or artificial, these bursts inspire wonder about the mechanisms that could be at play across the universe. Here's something to ponder: the possibility that extraterrestrial beings might use gravitational waves to communicate. These ripples in space-time, first observed by humans only recently, could carry signals across vast cosmic distances. Consider the ingenuity required to harness such forces for communication and how it challenges our current scientific paradigms. Now, let's discuss an exciting initiative known as the Breakthrough Listen Project. This ambitious program uses some of the world's most powerful telescopes to scan the sky for signs of extraterrestrial life. With access to immense data sets, researchers can explore regions of the spectrum often left unexamined, increasing the chances of detecting something truly out of the ordinary. On the topic of scanning the skies, did you know that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence has expanded to include the hunt for technosignatures? These are indicators of technology, such as artificial lights or atmospheric pollution on distant planets. By identifying these signs, scientists can infer the presence of advanced civilizations without direct communication, offering tantalizing clues about life beyond Earth. Consider the fascinating notion that alien signals might be encoded within the very stars we observe. Some researchers hypothesize that extraterrestrial beings could alter the patterns of star luminosity to send messages. This concept pushes us to consider the universe itself as a vast canvas, with stars serving as the ink for cosmic correspondences. Let me tell you about the possibility of detecting alien life through astrobiology. By studying the chemical composition of exoplanet atmospheres, scientists can search for biosignatures, elements or compounds that suggest biological activity. This indirect method of detection complements our search for direct signals, painting a fuller picture of where and how life might exist in the universe. Here's a thought-provoking idea: the concept of post-biological extraterrestrial civilizations. Some theorists propose that advanced beings might transcend their biological origins, existing instead as digital consciousnesses or artificial intelligences. If true, their communication methods could be vastly different from what we anticipate. Did you know that even our own solar system might harbor hidden life? Moons like Europa and Enceladus, with their subsurface oceans, present tantalizing possibilities for finding microbial life. While these discoveries wouldn't be the alien civilizations often depicted in science fiction, they would still profoundly impact our understanding of life's potential in the universe. Projects like the Arecibo message, a pictorial message sent into space, illustrate the creativity involved in imagining how we might communicate across the cosmos. These artistic endeavors remind us of the human elements of our quest, blending science with imagination and hope. On a similar note, have you contemplated the impact of discovering extraterrestrial life on our religious and philosophical beliefs? Such a revelation could challenge or reinforce belief systems, prompting a re-evaluation of humanity's place in the cosmos. This potential shift underscores the profound societal implications of our search, extending beyond the scientific community. Consider the intriguing idea that extraterrestrial civilizations might practice cosmic archaeology. This concept suggests that advanced beings could explore the histories of other worlds, much like humans study ancient civilizations. The notion of aliens as cosmic historians invites us to imagine the stories our own planet might tell, were it observed from afar. Let's not forget the role of technology in our search. The development of advanced telescopes and detectors continues to enhance our ability to scan the heavens for alien signals. Each new tool expands our reach, offering fresh opportunities for discovery and keeping the dream of interstellar contact alive. Finally, have you ever wondered about the timeline of our search? The universe is vast and ancient, and it's possible that civilizations have risen and fallen long before humanity began its exploration. This perspective invites us to consider the ephemeral nature of life and the enduring mystery of the cosmos as we strive to add our voice to the universal chorus. As you let these possibilities drift through your mind, remember that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence is as much about understanding ourselves as it is about finding others. Each discovery, each hypothesis, invites us to reflect on what it means to be human, to be part of this vast and wondrous universe. Allow these thoughts to guide you into a peaceful slumber as you dream of the endless horizons that await in the night sky. Imagine a distant world where the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or Seti, is a daily endeavor. This quest is not just about listening for alien signals, but also about understanding the very fabric of our universe. Did you know that one of the earliest attempts to detect signals from outer space took place in 1960 with a project named OSMA? This pioneering effort used a radio telescope in West Virginia to listen for signals from nearby stars. The project was named after the Princess of Oz, symbolizing the magical and mysterious nature of the search. Speaking of magical, have you considered how many stars are within range of our detectors? Picture this. There are approximately 20 billion sun-like stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone. Each one presents a potential home for life, making the odds of discovering intelligent life both exciting and overwhelming. Imagine the possibilities as we listen to the vast cosmic frequencies emanating from these stars, hoping to catch a whisper from a distant civilization. This reminds me of an intriguing fact. Some researchers believe that advanced extraterrestrial beings might use lasers to communicate across the stars. These concentrated beams of light could carry messages at incredible speeds, potentially far exceeding the capabilities of radio waves. Imagine the skill required to harness such technology and the ingenuity involved in using light to bridge the immense distances of space. Did you know that some scientists have proposed sending our DNA into space as a form of communication? By encoding genetic information into beams of light or radio waves, we could offer a unique glimpse of humanity to any curious extraterrestrial listeners. This idea not only highlights our desire to connect, but also reflects our curiosity about how such messages might be interpreted by other intelligent beings. Here's a fascinating thought. The WOW signal of 1977 remains one of the most mysterious and tantalizing signals ever detected by Seti. This strong, narrowband radio signal was picked up by the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio, and it lasted for 72 seconds. Despite extensive analysis, its source remains unidentified, sparking endless speculation about its potential alien origin. Consider this. Some theorists suggest that extraterrestrial civilizations might have already visited our planet in ancient times, leaving behind subtle clues in our history and mythology. While these ideas are often the stuff of speculation and fringe theories, they invite us to ponder the ways advanced beings might choose to reveal themselves across the ages. Speaking of ancient contacts, let me share something intriguing. Many scientists believe that contact with extraterrestrial intelligence could fundamentally change our understanding of language. By deciphering an alien message, we might discover entirely new ways of thinking and communicating, broadening our linguistic horizons and reshaping our perception of consciousness itself. On the topic of perception, have you ever wondered how extraterrestrial beings might perceive time? Some researchers speculate that advanced civilizations could experience time very differently from humans, potentially living in states of existence that are beyond our current comprehension. This notion challenges our assumptions about life in the universe and invites us to explore the limits of our own understanding. Here's something to ponder: the potential for finding extraterrestrial life through the discovery of rogue planets, which drift through space unattached to any star. These lonely wanderers could harbor life in underground oceans, warmed by internal heat rather than sunlight. The existence of life in such unexpected places would greatly expand our understanding of the conditions necessary for life to thrive. Did you know that some scientists are exploring the possibility of detecting alien megastructures? These hypothetical constructs, like Dyson spheres, could encircle a star to capture its energy. If such structures exist, they could be visible as unusual patterns or dips in the light emitted by their host stars, providing indirect evidence of advanced technological civilizations. Let me tell you about the role of quantum mechanics in the search for alien signals. Quantum communication might allow for instantaneous data transfer across vast distances, circumventing the limitations imposed by the speed of light. This theoretical approach offers a tantalizing glimpse into the future of interstellar communication and the potential for connecting with distant worlds. Here's a thought-provoking idea: the notion that extraterrestrial beings might be deliberately avoiding contact with us, a concept known as the zoo hypothesis. According to this theory, advanced civilizations could be observing us from afar, choosing not to interfere with our development, much like zookeepers observing animals in a reserve. This idea challenges our assumptions about the intentions and ethics of intelligent life beyond Earth. Speaking of ethical considerations, have you considered the potential impact of receiving a message from an extraterrestrial source? The content and intent of such a message could have profound implications for humanity, influencing our culture, technology, and even our sense of identity. The prospect of deciphering an alien message holds both excitement and trepidation, as it could redefine our place in the cosmos. Lastly, did you know that some scientists propose the use of artificial intelligence to enhance our search for alien signals? By employing sophisticated algorithms and machine learning techniques, we can better analyze the vast amounts of data collected by our telescopes, increasing the likelihood of identifying meaningful patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. As you drift off, let these thoughts of cosmic connection and exploration fill your mind, reminding you of the wonder and mystery that lie just beyond the stars. Embrace the dream of discovery and allow it to guide you into a restful and peaceful sleep. Imagine the possibility that an alien civilization might not use sound or light as we know them to communicate. Some scientists propose that advanced beings could employ neutrinos, nearly massless particles that pass through matter almost undetected, as a means of communication. These elusive particles can travel vast distances without interference, making them a potential conduit for interstellar messages. Can you picture the elegance of such a system where messages traverse galaxies unseen and unheard? Let me share another intriguing thought: the idea that extraterrestrial civilizations might leave encoded messages within the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is the afterglow of the Big Bang. This ancient radiation permeates the universe and could, in theory, carry messages hidden within its faint signals. This concept invites us to consider the possibility of cosmic graffiti etched into the very fabric of the universe since its inception, waiting to be uncovered by a curious mind. Speaking of hidden messages, did you know that the pulsating signals from pulsars, which are highly magnetized rotating neutron stars, were once considered potential beacons from alien civilizations? When first discovered, the regularity and precision of these signals sparked debate and excitement, as their artificial-like patterns seemed to suggest an intelligent origin. However, further study revealed their natural celestial processes. Yet, their initial interpretation as signals from distant minds highlights the boundless curiosity that drives Seti. Here's a fascinating tidbit: the notion of galactic archaeology, where scientists study the chemical composition of stars to uncover clues about past civilizations. By analyzing the elements present in a star's atmosphere, we might detect the signatures of advanced technologies, such as the remnants of powerful energy sources or industrial processes. This method offers a unique window into the history of the cosmos as we sift through the stardust for evidence of long-gone civilizations. Have you ever wondered about the potential for alien life forms to exist in forms entirely unrecognizable to us? Some researchers speculate that life could arise in unconventional environments, such as the dense atmospheres of gas giants or the icy crusts of distant moons. These exotic habitats might give rise to organisms that defy our traditional understanding of biology, challenging us to rethink our definitions of life and intelligence. Here's something to consider. The concept of post-biological civilizations, where advanced beings have transcended their biological origins to exist as digital or robotic entities. Such civilizations could have vastly different priorities and methods of communication, possibly even using the universe itself as a computational resource. This idea expands our vision of what it means to be alive and intelligent, hinting at a future where consciousness might merge with technology. Speaking of transformation, did you know that some theorists suggest that highly advanced extraterrestrial societies might engage in stellar engineering? This includes altering their host stars to extend their lifespans or increase their energy output, potentially creating observable anomalies in stellar behavior. Detecting such changes could offer indirect evidence of technologically sophisticated civilizations at work, reshaping their cosmic environments to suit their needs. Imagine this: the possibility of discovering alien life through the observation of biosignature gases, which are specific chemicals released by living organisms. By studying the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, scientists can identify unusual concentrations of gases like oxygen or methane, which may indicate the presence of life. This method highlights the interconnectedness of life and environment, as even distant planets can reveal secrets through their atmospheric compositions. Here's an intriguing notion: the concept of technosignatures, which are indicators of advanced technology that might be detectable from afar. These could include artificial lights on a planet's surface, large-scale industrial pollution, or even the manipulation of starlight for communication purposes. By searching for these signs, we broaden our hunt for extraterrestrial intelligence beyond radio signals, exploring the myriad ways technology might manifest on a cosmic scale. Have you ever considered the role of intuition in the search for alien signals? While science relies heavily on data and analysis, many breakthroughs have been guided by an intuitive understanding of the universe's complexities. This human element, the ability to feel the patterns and connections, plays a crucial role in Seti as researchers navigate the vastness of the cosmos in search of meaningful contact. Let's explore the possibility that extraterrestrial civilizations might use gravitational waves as a form of communication. These ripples in space-time caused by massive celestial events could potentially carry messages across vast distances. Harnessing such a method would require an advanced understanding of physics, but it presents a fascinating alternative to conventional communication methods, underscoring the creativity and adaptability of intelligent life. Consider this: the search for alien signals also involves listening for interstellar music, which refers to the regular, rhythmic pulses emitted by certain astronomical phenomena. By studying these patterns, we might uncover clues about the dynamics of distant systems and perhaps hints of deliberate transmission from advanced species. This idea adds a lyrical dimension to our quest as we tune into the cosmic symphony of the universe. Finally, let's ponder the influence of cultural perspectives on the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Different societies may interpret and prioritize the quest for alien contact in diverse ways, shaped by their unique values and histories. This cultural lens enriches our understanding of the cosmos, reminding us that the search for intelligent life is a global endeavor, uniting humanity in its shared curiosity and desire to connect with the unknown. As we drift into dreams, let these thoughts of cosmic exploration inspire you, guiding you gently into the embrace of restful slumber. Let me share something intriguing with you. Did you know that the famous WOW signal, detected in 1977, remains one of the most mysterious radio signals ever picked up by Seti researchers? This strong, narrow-band radio signal originated from the direction of the Sagittarius constellation and lasted for 72 seconds. Despite extensive follow-up observations, the source of this enigmatic signal has never been identified, leaving us to wonder if it was indeed a message from an intelligent civilization or simply an unusual natural occurrence. Speaking of intriguing signals, have you ever heard about the Lorimer burst? These are fast radio bursts, brief, intense flashes of radio waves, discovered in 2007 by Duncan Lorimer and his team. The origin of these bursts is still unknown, and they occur so sporadically that pinning down their cause has proven challenging. Some theorists suggest they might be signals from powerful cosmic events, while others entertain the possibility of them being communications from advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. Here's an interesting thought. The concept of necropolitics, which refers to the idea that some alien civilizations might choose to silence themselves to avoid detection by more aggressive species. This self-imposed quietness could be a survival strategy in a universe where not all inhabitants may have peaceful intentions. The notion adds a layer of complexity to our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, suggesting that the silence we often encounter could be intentional rather than the absence of life. Consider this: the role of astroseismology in detecting alien activity. By studying oscillations in stars, scientists can gather information about their internal structures and dynamics. Unusual oscillation patterns might hint at the presence of large-scale engineering projects undertaken by technologically advanced civilizations. This approach opens new avenues in the search for extraterrestrial life, leveraging the natural vibrations of the cosmos to uncover hidden mysteries. Here's something to ponder. The idea of cosmic Seti, which involves searching for interstellar probes or artifacts rather than signals. These physical objects, often referred to as Bracewell probes, could be left behind by advanced civilizations as a form of communication or exploration. Detecting such artifacts would provide tangible evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth, inviting us to consider the possibility of ancient starfaring societies. Speaking of artifacts, did you know that some researchers are investigating the potential for alien life to leave geosignatures on planets and moons? These could be changes in geological formations or landscapes caused by technological activities. By examining topographical anomalies, scientists hope to identify the handiwork of extraterrestrial engineers, providing insights into the longevity and impact of advanced civilizations. Here's a curious notion: the possibility that extraterrestrial beings might employ quantum communication to send messages across the cosmos. Quantum entanglement could allow for instant communication over vast distances, bypassing the limitations of light speed. This advanced method of communication would require a deep understanding of quantum mechanics, highlighting the potential sophistication of alien technologies. Imagine this: the search for alien signals might also involve looking for red edge biosignatures, which are reflective properties of plant life. On Earth, Vegetation reflects infrared light, creating a distinct spectral signature. If similar patterns are observed on exoplanets, it could suggest the presence of plant-like organisms, signaling the existence of life. This approach underscores the interconnectedness of biology and astronomy, as life leaves fingerprints on its environment. Have you ever considered the idea that alien civilizations might use antimatter as a power source or communication tool? Antimatter releases immense energy upon contact with ordinary matter, offering a highly efficient means of energy production. Detecting signs of antimatter use, such as unique radiation signatures, could provide indirect evidence of advanced technological capabilities in the universe. Here's a fascinating fact: the role of gravitational lensing in Seti. This phenomenon occurs when massive celestial bodies, like galaxies, bend light from more distant objects. By examining the light patterns, scientists can gather information about the objects involved. If an alien civilization were to harness this effect deliberately, it could serve as a form of communication or signaling, using the universe's natural processes to amplify their messages. Now, let's delve into the idea of stellar cloaking, where advanced civilizations might hide their star's light to avoid detection. By constructing a massive structure, such as a Dyson sphere, around their star, they could prevent their light from reaching us, rendering themselves invisible. This concept challenges our assumptions about what we should expect to see in the cosmos, suggesting that some civilizations might opt for concealment rather than illumination. Consider this idea: the potential for alien life to exist in non-carbon-based forms, such as silicon-based organisms. While carbon is the backbone of terrestrial life, other elements could serve as the foundation for biological systems on distant worlds. This possibility expands our understanding of life's diversity, prompting us to rethink our criteria for detecting extraterrestrial organisms. Here's something surprising: the notion of cosmic time capsules, where alien civilizations intentionally leave messages or artifacts intended to be discovered by future societies. These time capsules could contain knowledge or cultural artifacts preserved for millennia in the vacuum of space. Discovering such treasures would offer a glimpse into the history and achievements of alien cultures, connecting us across the vastness of time and space. Finally, let's reflect on the potential for machine learning and artificial intelligence to revolutionize the search for alien signals. By analyzing vast data sets with unprecedented speed and accuracy, AI can identify patterns and anomalies that might elude human researchers. This technological partnership enhances our exploration of the cosmos, demonstrating the synergy between human curiosity and computational power in the quest for extraterrestrial intelligence. As you drift into sleep, let these thoughts of cosmic possibility and the endless quest for connection fill your dreams, guiding you gently into the embrace of restful slumber. Imagine the possibility that alien civilizations might be sending us signals through mediums we haven't fully understood yet. One such medium could be neutrinos, those mysterious, nearly massless particles that zip through the universe with almost zero interaction with matter. They are incredibly difficult to detect, but their elusive nature could be precisely why a sophisticated civilization might choose them for communication. The universe is filled with neutrinos, and deciphering a message hidden within them could be the ultimate challenge for Seti researchers. Speaking of challenges, consider the idea that our search for extraterrestrial signals might be hindered by the sheer variety of ways an alien civilization could choose to communicate. Just as we have countless languages, dialects, and forms of expression on Earth, the cosmos might be home to an infinite array of communication styles. This diversity means we must be open to signals that differ vastly from our traditional radio waves or optical signals. Here's something intriguing: the notion of gravitational wave messaging. Gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of space-time caused by massive astronomical events, could be used by advanced beings to send messages. If a civilization could manipulate these waves intentionally, they would have a powerful tool for communication across the universe. Detecting such subtle manipulations would require immensely sensitive equipment, but it could unlock a new dimension of cosmic correspondence. Have you ever thought about the potential role of cosmic rays in alien communication? These high-energy particles travel through space at nearly the speed of light, and their origins are often a mystery. If extraterrestrial life harnessed cosmic rays, they might encode information within these particles, using the universe's natural energy currents to amplify their messages. An interesting concept is the idea of biological communication, where alien life forms might communicate using pheromones or bioluminescence. While this seems more suited to planetary environments, the principle could extend to cosmic scales if such organisms evolved to emit detectable signals in space. This possibility prompts us to consider life forms that communicate in ways we haven't yet imagined, expanding our understanding of interstellar dialogue. Let's delve into the surprising potential of asteroid mining as a signal of alien activity. If extraterrestrial civilizations engage in mining operations on asteroids for resources, the resulting changes in an asteroid's composition or trajectory could be detectable from Earth. This indirect evidence of alien technological capability would suggest their presence without a direct signal, showing us that sometimes the absence of something, like a hole in an asteroid, can be just as telling. A curious notion is the concept of astroengineering on a grand scale, where advanced civilizations could alter star systems to meet their needs. Imagine stars rearranged to serve a functional purpose or to create a cosmic message visible from light years away. Such an act would be the ultimate cosmic art, sending a message across the galaxy that speaks of both technological prowess and creative expression. The potential for biological markers as communication tools is another fascinating possibility. Life on other planets might create distinct atmospheric changes detectable from afar. For instance, the presence of certain gases in an exoplanet's atmosphere could signal industrial activity or biological processes, providing a window into the existence and technological level of its inhabitants. Have you ever considered how music or sound waves might be used in cosmic communication? While sound cannot travel through the vacuum of space like it does on Earth, vibrations in matter could be utilized in environments where sound can propagate. This opens the door to the possibility of sound-based communication within alien habitats, or even on planets with dense atmospheres. An exciting potential method of interstellar communication involves light sails, where spacecraft use large reflective sails to capture light, or laser beams for propulsion. If these sails were used intentionally to reflect light in patterns, they could serve as a signal to distant observers, a cosmic semaphore guiding us to their presence. Consider the intriguing possibility that the very structure of alien technology might serve as a message. For instance, the materials used in a spacecraft or construction might exhibit unique isotopic signatures that are detectable from afar. Recognizing these anomalies could reveal alien craftsmanship and provide clues to their technological capabilities. It's fascinating to think about the idea that alien civilizations might have already left breadcrumbs in our solar system. Perhaps they've placed small, unobtrusive devices on celestial bodies to monitor or communicate with us. waiting patiently for humanity to reach a level of technological sophistication capable of detecting them. The discovery of such devices would forever change our understanding of our place in the universe. Here's an unusual thought. Could alien civilizations be using dark matter as a medium for communication? While dark matter remains one of the universe's greatest mysteries, its pervasive presence could offer a novel means of transmitting information across vast distances. If this enigmatic substance were harnessed by advanced beings, it would challenge our understanding of both matter and messages. Lastly, ponder the idea of using space-time anomalies as signaling devices. If an advanced civilization could manipulate the very fabric of space-time, they might create localized distortions to send messages, or even create artificial wormholes for communication. The enormity of such a task underscores the potential sophistication of alien technology, inviting us to consider the endless possibilities that await discovery. As you gently drift into a peaceful slumber, let these thoughts of cosmic wonder and the myriad ways we might one day connect with distant minds accompany you into a realm of dreams. Let me share with you the captivating idea that the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or Seti, isn't just about listening for signals, it's also about understanding the silence. The famous Great Silence raises questions about why, despite decades of searching, we haven't detected clear messages from the cosmos. Some scientists ponder whether advanced civilizations might choose not to broadcast their presence, blending into the cosmic background to avoid potential threats. This notion invites us to reconsider the quiet universe as a deliberate choice rather than an absence. Did you know that there are SETI projects using existing telescopes to eavesdrop on signals between planets within alien star systems? This method assumes that civilizations might use point-to-point communication rather than broadcasting omnidirectionally like a radio station. It's a bit like intercepting a private conversation rather than tuning into a public announcement. By listening along the line connecting exoplanets to their stars, we might catch a hint of interplanetary chatter. Here's a fascinating fact. SETI researchers are exploring the possibility of detecting alien artifacts in space. These artifacts might be technological relics or even entire spacecraft abandoned by their creators. By scanning for unusual metallic compositions or strange shapes in unexpected places, we could uncover traces of long-gone civilizations, a cosmic archaeology that stretches beyond our solar system. Have you ever thought about the role of artificial intelligence in SETI? As our technology advances, AI is becoming an essential tool in analyzing the vast amounts of data collected from telescopes. These intelligent systems can sift through cosmic noise much faster and more accurately than humans, potentially identifying patterns or anomalies that might indicate an alien signal. It's like having a team of tireless assistants, always on the lookout for signs of life. Speaking of innovative approaches, some scientists are considering the use of quantum entanglement for communication across cosmic distances. If alien civilizations have mastered the mysteries of quantum mechanics, they might use entangled particles to send information instantaneously, bypassing the normal constraints of space and time. This concept challenges our understanding of physics, offering a glimpse into a realm where messages travel instantaneously, regardless of distance. And here's something intriguing, the idea of cloaked civilizations. Some theorists suggest that advanced alien societies might be able to hide their technological signature by using energy-efficient technologies or by cloaking their planets with material that absorbs or deflects detection attempts. This deliberate shrouding could make them nearly invisible to our current search methods, prompting us to consider new ways of peeking behind such cosmic veils. Imagine the prospect of alien civilizations using neutrinos to communicate. These nearly massless particles rarely interact with matter, allowing them to travel through entire planets without being absorbed. If extraterrestrial beings could manipulate neutrinos to carry information, they would have a powerful means of communication that could bypass almost any natural barrier. Detecting such signals would require sophisticated equipment, akin to catching whispers in a storm. Have you ever considered that what we perceive as noise in the universe might actually be a form of alien communication? Some researchers speculate that cosmic background radiation, or seemingly random static, could contain encoded information. If civilizations use a form of communication that blends seamlessly with natural cosmic phenomena, we might need to rethink what constitutes a signal amidst the universe's hum. There's also the exciting idea of monitoring exoplanetary atmospheres for signs of alien pollution. Advanced civilizations might inadvertently alter their environment, creating detectable chemical signatures. By analyzing changes in atmospheric composition, we could infer the presence of industrial activity or other technological processes, catching glimpses of alien life through the haze of their own making. Did you know that the potential for alien signals isn't limited to radio frequencies? Seti researchers are increasingly interested in optical Seti, which involves searching for intense bursts of light or laser beams. Such light signals could be used by extraterrestrial beings to communicate across vast distances, much like cosmic lighthouses guiding us to new worlds. Consider the possibility that some alien civilizations might communicate using hyperdimensional methods, beyond our current understanding of physics. By manipulating extra dimensions, they could send messages that we perceive only as bizarre anomalies in our three-dimensional space. This concept stretches our imagination, prompting us to explore the universe's hidden layers for hidden meanings. Another fascinating notion is the search for alien beacons. These could be powerful, intentionally broadcast signals designed to attract attention from other intelligent beings. Spotting a beacon would be like finding a cosmic lighthouse, guiding us across the vast sea of stars. Researchers hope that by focusing on unusual repeating signals, they might uncover such interstellar calls. Lastly, ponder the idea that alien civilizations might have already visited our solar system in the distant past. This could range from technological artifacts to subtle changes in planetary surfaces. By studying our celestial neighborhood with fresh eyes and advanced instruments, we might uncover the remnants of ancient visitors, offering a bridge between past and present exchanges. As these varied and wondrous possibilities swirl in your mind, let them guide you toward a restful embrace of the night, where dreams may take you to the farthest reaches of the cosmos, exploring all that remains unseen. Amidst the quest for signals from the stars, one can't help but be intrigued by the notion that alien civilizations might choose to communicate using gravitational waves. These ripples in space-time could carry messages across the cosmos, undetectable by traditional electromagnetic means. It's a whisper in the dark fabric of the universe, inviting us to listen with new ears. Have you ever thought about the possibility of extraterrestrial life forms sending signals that mimic natural phenomena? For instance, fast radio bursts, those mysterious, incredibly powerful bursts of radio waves that last only milliseconds, could be intentional transmissions cleverly camouflaged as cosmic occurrences. This idea urges us to peel back the layers of celestial events, searching for intentionality hidden within chaos. Consider the idea of using pulsars as beacons. These rapidly rotating neutron stars emit beams of electromagnetic radiation in regular intervals. An advanced civilization might harness these cosmic lighthouses to piggyback messages, altering their rhythm subtly to encode information. It's as if the universe itself becomes a giant cosmic telegram service, with pulsars as its Morse code. And did you know that researchers are contemplating the search for zoo hypothesis scenarios, where alien civilizations observe us from afar, much like animals in a zoo? They might deliberately avoid contact, studying us while cloaked behind sophisticated technology. This hypothesis challenges us to consider the possibility that we are not alone, but rather part of a galactic community. Speaking of subtlety, there's the curious concept of technosignatures, indicators of advanced technology that might not resemble anything we currently understand. Imagine a civilization that has developed technology so advanced it seamlessly blends with nature, like a tree or a mountain that is, in fact, a sophisticated piece of machinery. Our challenge is to expand our definition of technology beyond metal and wires, exploring the possibility of living machines or structures integrated into their planetary ecosystem. And here's an intriguing thought: the role of cosmic silence. Some researchers propose that the universe's quietness could be a universal agreement among civilizations to avoid attracting attention from potential cosmic predators. This idea, known as the dark forest theory, suggests a universe full of life, each civilization hiding to ensure its own survival. Have you heard about the search for alien megastructures? These hypothetical enormous constructions, such as Dyson spheres, could be built around stars to capture energy. Observing a star's light dimming periodically might indicate the presence of such a structure. It's a cosmic construction project on a scale that dwarfs anything we can imagine, an engineering marvel revealing the presence of industrious cosmic neighbors. There's also the notion that some alien civilizations might communicate through biological means, employing bioluminescent signals or pheromone-like exchanges over vast distances. This organic approach to communication hints at a universe where life and technology merge seamlessly, presenting us with a challenge to detect what we don't yet recognize as a message. Imagine the potential for alien signals hidden within cosmic dust. As these tiny particles drift through space, they may carry encoded information, much like a message in a bottle bobbing through a starry sea. By studying the composition and movement of interstellar dust, we might stumble upon a cosmic correspondence left by distant beings. This reminds me of the idea that some civilizations might use black holes as communication portals. By manipulating the intense gravitational fields of these enigmatic entities, they could send signals through the event horizon, escaping detection by traditional means. It's a mind-bending notion, suggesting a realm where physics as we know it is merely the starting point for interstellar dialogue. Have you ever pondered the concept of time capsules in space? Extraterrestrial societies might launch messages encoded in durable materials designed to survive for eons before reaching their intended recipients. These cosmic time capsules could drift through the galaxy, waiting patiently to be discovered by those ready to understand their meaning. And here's a fascinating fact. Some researchers are exploring the possibility of detecting signals that utilize the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, as a carrier wave. This ancient radiation bathes the universe, providing a universal backdrop against which messages might be hidden, a cosmic canvas for interstellar communication. Imagine if alien civilizations have developed languages that we cannot yet decipher, perhaps using mathematical patterns or universal constants as a basis. By searching for signals that align with these fundamental truths, we might bridge the gap between species, opening a dialogue with those who share our curiosity about the cosmos. There's also the captivating idea of active Seti, where we broadcast messages into space in the hope of receiving a response. This strategy, while controversial, suggests a proactive approach to cosmic communication, inviting potential conversations with unknown neighbors. And think about the possibility that alien signals could manifest as alterations in the fabric of reality itself, detectable only through changes in fundamental physical laws. Such an approach would require us to not only listen to the universe, but also to understand its unspoken rules, seeking messages in the very essence of existence. Lastly, envision the prospect of civilizations using light echoes, bouncing signals off celestial bodies to reach distant targets. This method might allow messages to travel around obstacles, using the reflective properties of planets and moons as cosmic relay stations. These wondrous possibilities paint a universe rich with potential for discovery and connection. As you drift into the realm of dreams, let your imagination carry you to the farthest stars, where the mysteries of Seti and the whispers of alien signals await your curious mind. Imagine for a moment a universe where the speed of light is not the ultimate barrier. Some scientists propose the potential for superluminal communication, where signals travel faster than light through hypothetical conduits like wormholes. This concept challenges our fundamental understanding of physics and opens the door to instant cosmic messages, transcending vast distances with ease. Now picture this. Some theorists speculate about the existence of quantum teleportation as a means of communication. By entangling particles across light years, information could be transmitted instantaneously, bypassing the usual limitations of space and time. This quantum entanglement, often referred to as spooky action at a distance, might one day be the key to unlocking interstellar communication networks. Have you ever considered the prospect of alien life utilizing neutrinos to send messages? These nearly massless particles can pass through almost anything, including entire planets, without being stopped or absorbed. As such, neutrinos could serve as invisible threads linking distant worlds, carrying messages undetected by ordinary means. There's also the idea that some civilizations might employ gravitational waves for communication. These ripples in the fabric of space-time, caused by massive cosmic events, could be modulated to encode information. Gravitational wave astronomy is in its infancy, but as we learn to listen to these cosmic tremors, we may uncover whispers from advanced civilizations. Think about the possibility of artificial stars. Some researchers imagine that highly advanced beings might create stars as beacons or message carriers. These stars could exhibit unusual properties or behaviors, signaling their artificial origins to those who know how to interpret them. Here's something intriguing. The notion of civilization-scale engineering projects, where entire solar systems are restructured to convey messages. This could involve altering the orbits of planets or even dismantling celestial bodies to form recognizable patterns. Such grand cosmic rearrangements would be unmistakable signs of intelligent life. It's fascinating to ponder that alien signals might be embedded within the natural patterns of the universe itself, like fractals or the Fibonacci sequence. By tuning into these patterns, we could discover hidden messages woven into the very structure of reality, revealing a universal language shared by all sentient beings. You might be surprised to learn that some scientists are exploring the idea of alien civilizations using sound waves on a cosmic scale. These sound waves, imperceptible to human ears, could resonate through the interstellar medium, carrying information across light years in a symphony of celestial acoustics. Consider the possibility of detecting alien signals through anomalies in cosmic rays. These high-energy particles travel across the universe, and unusual patterns or bursts could indicate the presence of an intentional message. By studying these cosmic rays, we might decipher a new form of interstellar communication. Have you ever thought about the role of dark matter in communication? Though it remains mysterious and largely undetectable, some theorists propose that dark matter might be manipulated by advanced civilizations as a medium for transmitting information, a hidden channel within the cosmic landscape. There's also the captivating idea of civilizations using time travel for communication. By sending signals backward or forward in time, they could establish a dialogue across epochs, speaking to both past and future beings. This notion challenges our perception of time as linear, suggesting a more fluid and interconnected cosmos. Consider the possibility of alien civilizations employing virus-like nanobots as messengers. These microscopic machines could be programmed to travel across space, delivering information encoded in their structure. Upon reaching their destination, they might replicate and disseminate their message, a biological approach to interstellar correspondence. Imagine if some civilizations used the unique properties of antimatter for signaling. Antimatter, being the opposite of regular matter, could be harnessed in ways that produce distinct and unmistakable signatures, alerting others to their presence through controlled annihilations. Here's a thought-provoking concept. Some researchers suggest that advanced civilizations might communicate through the manipulation of black hole singularities. By carefully altering these dense points of mass, they could generate specific patterns of gravitational waves, sending messages across the cosmos in a dance of cosmic gravity. Lastly, envision the use of cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional defects in space-time, as conduits for messages. These strings, if they exist, could vibrate with information, transmitting signals along their lengths across the universe, linking distant civilizations in a web of interstellar communication. As you continue to ponder these possibilities, let your imagination take flight to the farthest reaches of the universe. In the vastness of space, where the known and unknown blend seamlessly, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence invites us to dream, to wonder, and to explore the endless potential of cosmic connection. As you drift gently into the realm of sleep, carry with you the echoes of these celestial musings, where the mysteries of Seti and alien signals whisper softly to your dreams. Let me share something interesting: the idea of optical Seti, where astronomers are looking for extraterrestrial signals using visible light. This approach is relatively novel compared to traditional radio Seti, but it holds the promise of detecting high-powered laser pulses sent intentionally by distant civilizations. Can you imagine a cosmic lighthouse flashing across the universe to catch our attention? Such laser signals might be brief and rare, requiring our telescopes to watch patiently for the right moment. Speaking of light, another intriguing concept is that some alien civilizations might use light polarization as a means to communicate. By modifying the orientation of light waves, they could encode messages that are perceptible only to those who understand this unique method. It's like sending a secret code that requires a special lens to decipher. And here's something fascinating: the potential for alien signals embedded within the genetic code of life itself. Some scientists have speculated that ancient messages could be hidden within our DNA, placed there by advanced beings as a form of long-term communication. This idea suggests that the key to understanding our place in the cosmos might be tucked away within every cell of our bodies. Did you know that some researchers are exploring the use of entire planetary atmospheres as communication tools? By altering the chemical composition of an atmosphere, a civilization could create detectable signatures that signal their presence to those with the technology to read these changes. Imagine discovering a distant world with an atmosphere that spells out a greeting across the light years. Here's a curious thought: the possibility of alien civilizations using artificial intelligence to communicate on their behalf. These AIs might engage in conversations or debates with each other, exchanging information and knowledge across the stars, while their creators simply observe. In this scenario, intelligent machines become the emissaries of their biological counterparts, bridging the gap between worlds. Consider the concept of civilizations utilizing natural disasters like volcanic eruptions or asteroid impacts as signs of communication. By controlling or predicting these events, alien beings could create patterns meant to be noticed by other advanced societies. This would involve a deep understanding of planetary systems and the ability to manipulate or forecast cataclysmic occurrences. Another captivating notion is the use of electromagnetic fields as communication channels. By modulating fields around planets or stars, messages could be sent in an elegant dance of charged particles. This form of messaging might remain invisible to us until our technology advances enough to perceive these subtle fluctuations. Have you ever imagined civilizations using the unique properties of superfluid helium as a medium for communication? At extremely low temperatures, helium becomes a superfluid with remarkable characteristics, potentially allowing for the transmission of signals in ways we have yet to comprehend fully. This state of matter could serve as a conduit for information traversing the cold depths of space. Here's something that might surprise you: the notion that some alien signals could be encoded within the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint afterglow from the Big Bang permeates the universe, and tiny variations in its temperature or polarization could hide messages left by ancient civilizations, waiting to be deciphered by those who can decode the cosmic echoes. It's intriguing to consider the idea of using artificial planets as communication devices. By constructing planets with specific orbital paths or surface features, messages could be sent across the galaxy. Such creations would require immense technological prowess, but would stand as unmistakable beacons to any who gaze upon them. Speaking of celestial bodies, there's the possibility that alien civilizations might use the gravitational lensing effect of stars or black holes to amplify and transmit their signals. This natural magnification could focus messages over vast distances, making them detectable by civilizations far away. Have you ever pondered the role of cosmic dust in communication? By altering the composition or distribution of dust grains in space, civilizations might create patterns or signals that can be observed with advanced telescopic technology. These tiny particles drifting between stars could carry messages across the universe in a silent, shimmering dance. Think about the potential for using planetary magnetic fields as communication tools. By generating fluctuations in these fields, a civilization could send signals that traverse the magnetic lines of force, reaching out to those who can listen with the right instruments. This method would rely on an understanding of magnetism that surpasses our current capabilities. Consider the idea of interstellar art as a form of communication. By crafting massive structures or patterns in space, civilizations could express complex ideas or emotions, turning the cosmos into a gallery of artistic expression. These cosmic artworks would transcend language, speaking to any who have the ability to perceive them. Lastly, let your mind wander to the possibility of detecting alien signals through the detection of exotic particles, such as tachyons or hypothetical dark photons. These particles, if they exist, could carry messages faster than light, providing a glimpse into the advanced physics of an alien civilization. As you drift into sleep, imagine a universe where the boundaries of distance and time are but gentle illusions, and the whispers of alien intelligence beckon us to listen, to learn, and to wonder at the infinite possibilities that stretch before us, night after night. Imagine this. The vastness of the universe offers countless possibilities for communication, and yet we continue to discover new methods we hadn't even considered. Take, for example, the idea of using quantum entanglement as a means of transmitting messages instantaneously, regardless of distance. This concept, still largely theoretical, suggests that particles connected through entanglement could relay information faster than the speed of light, a truly remarkable prospect that challenges our understanding of physics. Have you ever thought about the potential for alien civilizations to use neutrinos as communication tools? Neutrinos are nearly massless particles that can pass through almost any matter without being absorbed. This means they could travel through entire planets, potentially carrying messages from distant corners of the galaxy, oblivious to the physical barriers that confound other forms of communication. It's fascinating to consider that some signals might be encoded in the rotational patterns of neutron stars. These incredibly dense remnants of collapsed stars spin rapidly, and their regular pulses could be manipulated to carry information. Picture a cosmic lighthouse, its beam encoded with the secrets of the universe, blinking out messages to anyone who learns to read its light. Here's a thought-provoking notion. Some civilizations might employ bioluminescent organisms to signal across interstellar distances. By engineering creatures that emit specific light patterns, they could communicate in a language of illumination, painting the darkness of space with living messages visible to those who can interpret this radiant code. Speaking of living signals, there's the idea that microbial life itself could serve as a message. By sending resilient microorganisms into space, these aliens might hope that life would take root on a distant planet, carrying with it the blueprint of an alien society encoded within its DNA, a biological message in a bottle waiting to be discovered by future explorers. Consider the whimsical thought of using cosmic ray bursts as communication signals. These high-energy events occur naturally throughout the universe, but with the right technology, a civilization might manipulate them to send intentional messages. These bursts could serve as cosmic Morse code, dancing across the void in a language of energy and light. Ever wonder about the role of highly advanced virtual realities in communication? Some civilizations might choose to project immersive experiences as messages, creating entire simulated worlds for us to explore. These virtual landscapes could reveal cultural histories, scientific achievements, or even philosophical ideas, inviting us to engage with their creators' minds without ever leaving our own world. There's something quite intriguing about the idea of using the unique signatures of chemical elements as a form of interstellar communication. By altering the isotopic ratios of elements within certain regions of space, civilizations could leave behind indelible markers that convey messages across eons, telling stories of cosmic proportions in a language of atoms. Imagine, too, the possibility of discovering signals hidden within the very structure of space-time itself. Advanced civilizations might manipulate the fabric of reality to encode messages within gravitational waves, ripples in space-time caused by massive cosmic events. These whispers of the universe could carry secrets across the vast stretches of time and space, waiting for beings adept enough to decipher them. Consider also the potential of shared dreams as a means of communication. If consciousness can be interconnected, perhaps there are civilizations that have learned to project visions across the cosmos, entering the dreams of other sentient beings to share knowledge and experiences in the most intimate way possible, a conversation of souls bound by starlight. Imagine civilizations that utilize entire ecosystems as living communication networks. By manipulating the growth patterns and behaviors of flora and fauna, they might convey messages through the natural world, creating symphonies of life that resonate with meaning and purpose, visible to those who can see beyond the surface. There's a notion that some signals might be hidden in the complex patterns of fractals, infinitely intricate geometrical shapes that repeat at every scale. By encoding messages within these mathematical forms, civilizations could create signals that are both elegant and enduring, timeless whispers in the cosmic tapestry. Here's another intriguing thought: the use of cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional defects in space-time, as conduits for messages. These strings could carry signals across vast distances, acting as highways of information that traverse the universe, invisible to all but the most advanced technologies. Finally, imagine if alien signals were encoded in the very music of the spheres, the ancient idea that celestial bodies produce a form of music through their movements. By altering the orbits or resonances of planets and moons, a civilization could compose symphonies that echo across the galaxy, harmonies that speak of wonder and curiosity, inviting listeners to join in a cosmic dance. These ideas remind us that the universe is vast, its mysteries boundless, and its possibilities infinite. Each potential signal is a reminder of the creativity and ingenuity that might exist among the stars. As you close your eyes and drift into the gentle embrace of sleep, let these thoughts fill your dreams with the wonder of what might be waiting for us out there. A universe alive with secrets, just waiting to be uncovered by those who dare to listen.